Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to open recovery mode in your Infinix smartphone. So let's open this. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. First, you have to simply just long press to power off this Infinix smartphone like this. Just simply power off it from here, and you have to simply long press the power button and volume key, and when it vibrates you have to release the power button key. Then you have to simply hold the volume button key to open the recovery mode. You have to simply click on this and your recovery mode will be open. Friends, you can see here it is the recovery mode, and this is how you can open it. You can see there is no command, and you can simply restart it also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.